Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Prince. I'm from Cyber Solutions, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to use Rufus to create bootable USBs. So I previously did a video on my Home Lab series showing you how to download Proxmox, and once you have a bootable USB with Proxmox on it, you can install Proxmox and be able to run that in your Home Lab. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use Rufus. So what you're gonna need is a USB stick, which I'll make appear here, and boom, magic, just like that. And so we're gonna go through and we're gonna install Windows 11 because Windows 10 support just ended. So I know a few people will probably need this. What you're gonna do is open up your web browser, which for me is Google Chrome. You're gonna navigate to Rufus, download. It's rufus.ie. I'll link this in the description. You wanna go to download, and then what we're gonna do is Rufus 4.11 exe, and then that was a pretty quick download. So what we're gonna do now is just open it, and then you have to physically place this USB in your computer, which I'm going to do now. Just put the USB in. And so I already have Rufus open here. And then what you need to do now is from this point, you need to get the image or the ISO that you're trying to install onto the USB. So for me, that's going to be Windows 11. Download Windows 11 from Microsoft.com. I just did another cut because I want the Windows ISO. So let's select English because that's what we're speaking now. Okay, perfect. Let's just give this a second. We want the 64-bit download. I don't even think they have a Windows 11 32-bit, but I'm sure somebody in the comments can correct me if I'm wrong. And then now we wait. Cue the music. Alright, so the download just got done. I have pretty fast internet, but it still took a while. I'm not limited in this case by my internet speed, but by the speed that Microsoft can provide for their content delivery. Okay, so what we want to do is go back to Rufus, and then this is just the name of my USB drive. It's the silver one that I showed y'all. And then for boot selection, you want to do disk or ISO image. We're gonna go select, do the Windows 11 image, and then normally, unless you need something specific, you leave everything as default. And then I'm just gonna change the volume label to Windows 11, and that's what the USB is gonna be called from this point moving forward. And then what you can do is just hit start. So it started, and so now we can just let it do its thing. Alright, awesome. While I was lollygagging, the download finished. So what you can do is you can take that USB now and you can boot into it, and you'll have Windows 11 or whatever operating system that you put on it. I just want to say it. Alright, cool. So while I was lollygagging, the USB finished. So what you can do is now you can take this out, and you'll be able to have Windows 11 or whatever operating system you install. I just want to say once again, thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode.